Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Nkem Jeffrey here. Today we're doing a beautiful Afro hairstyle. I have my attachment wool. This is the attachment wool I'm using. I have my straw. This is straw for rolling, and I have bobby pin, or you can use elastic band, rubber band. Okay, you can use this one. So let's go right into the video. I'm going to show you guys the whole process from coiling, making the afro, the cap I'm using, everything. Okay, and while you're watching this video, guys, please do not forget to like this video, share with your friends, subscribe to this channel if you're not subscribed already, and turn on that bell notification for more amazing content from me. Okay, let's get started. To make the wig, I only used one of these wool you guys are seeing here. I just used one out of the three in a pack. Okay. After rolling, I'm going to cut the excess like this. I'm going to use my bobby pin and then secure this just like this. Okay, like this. After rolling, I'm going to dip this in hot water and leave it for like 5 to 4 minutes thereabout, and then take it out and show you guys what the coils looks like. After dipping it in hot water, this is the outcome. I'm going to take the pin out on both sides and then unravel it. I'm going to cut out the ends because they are straight and we don't need them to be straight like that. And I'm going to just cut this in three. Okay, just cut this in three like this. Open up the coils like this. Now this is what we have after opening the coils up. Look at that. This is what we have. Here's our dummy head in size 22. And then we have our ponytail cap. It has first string. So I'm going to place this nicely here and then pin it down. So I'm going to trim this. Just trim out these ones that are coming out like this. Okay. So this is what our ponytail looks like right now. This is how beautiful it is. The next thing I'm going to do is to slick down our hair. The gel I'm using is a mixture of edge control and gel. Okay, so I have Petals gel here and other edge control that leaves white cast. So I just put all together and use it for to slick down our hair. So guys, this is what we have. This is how nice and beautiful it's looking. So for our afro of our ponytail, we're going to sew wig comb to it, and after sewing the wig comb, I'm just going to put it on our head using the wig comb to secure it, and I'm also going to use the drawstring to put to like hold this together. Okay, so after wearing it, I'm just going to drag and make sure it is well secured, and then just the excess I'm going to just roll around our hair. That way you don't get to see it. Okay, so this is how easy it is. This is how nice it is looking. You guys, this color is so fine. Like at first I thought it was not going to be fine, but take a look at that. Look at this beauty, you guys. This is so fine. I love this combination. Like it is looking perfect. Like it is superb. Okay, let me know in the comment section what your take on this SI is, and you guys don't forget follow for more video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.